Hello, so in this video I'm going from this to this. And I'm going to take you with me. So for those of you who've just tuned in, this is our camper van conversion. It was a 17-seater Ford Transit minibus. It started life as, and we got it a couple of years back and converted it out. We've now got a king size double bed at the back here. We've got a bunk bed here for Maximus. There's bits and bobs all over at the moment because I'm just getting ready to carpet the door. But yeah, we spent the best part of 12 months on and off when we had time converting it out, and then since the end of summer last year we've been out and about in it. So if you want to see what it looked like to start off with, check out one of these links here or down in the description below, and I'll link to the vanbuild series. And if you want to check out some of our adventures, I think we spent 44 nights in the van now in total when we get the chance on the school holidays and the weekends, and they've all been wild camping. We've not been on a campsite yet, and it's all been in the UK so far. So if you want to check that out, I'll link that somewhere here and down there. But for today, we're going to crack on with carpeting this door. So I've already done some with this door. Before we set off to Scotland for our Christmas adventure, I cut into here and insulated all down and into the sides and the top here, and then took the bottom card off and insulated behind there and down into the bottom of the door as well. So today what I'm going to do is take the handle off here. I've already drawn around with a Sharpie, if you can see the black line here, and I'm going to use U-channel, rubber U-channel, which is this thing here, and I'm going to edge around the outside of my black line, and I've just got some industrial strength super glue for that one, and I stick this round the shape, and what that allows me to do is one side bonds to the frame, the door frame, and then I can open it up and the carpet can sit in there, and it creates a completely neat waterproof edge of the carpet. Right, I'm just going to tape over these holes because they're going to get carpeted over. Take this internal handle off. I'm going to leave the main latch handle on, and we shall be somewhere near. Oh, I've got to take the door card off again as well. So all I do with this is I put this edge, don't get off my face, there we go. I put this edge, this side up against there, and I glue it. So you can see now there's a nice recess for the carpet end to go in, and that can just tuck in all the way around, and that super glue is plenty strong enough because it's not holding any weight. And you can just see it tucks in nicely all the way around. Right, I'll do the outside of the door and then I can stick some carpet on. That took a bit longer than anticipated.
Yes.
You saying hello?
Hello.
Maximus is home from school. But it's all edged off now.
I think do some carpet.
And the glue is just setting off. And yes, I'm going to do some carpet next.
I go to Phil.
No, I don't need to carpet this side because this side's on the outside. You can see, if we look right down there, there's the door connections. And I'm not going to carpet right at the bottom, as I say, because all the running gear's there, so there's no point. So I'm carpeting down to here, up and round, and then down to the run-in there at the bottom of the door card, and that'll be that door carpeted out and looking tidy. Carpet time, and for those that have not done carpet before, spray the glue on both the back of the carpet and where you want to stick it to, and then stick it up, stretch it out, move it round and trim it into place. But a 99.9% IPA, isopropyl alcohol, and it just wipes that excess glue off that's about the place, off that rubber on the edge of the door, and it just tidies it up nice. What you end up with is a nice straight cutting edged line. I'll give it another tidy up in a minute, but I'm just going to finish cutting it in now. That's all the carpet cut and trimmed in, and you can see how neat it looks. I've still got a bit of cleaning up to do. I've run out of isopropyl alcohol, so I'll have to go and get some more out the garage, but the door card's going to go back on now, okay, and the door stop.
Well, what about the alarm?
And then the alarm for Maximus will have to go back on. So you can see how nice and tidy the edges are in that U-channel now, and what a finish it makes on the door. And if I open it up fully, you can see it there from the end.
And don't forget another one in.
Yeah, I've got the cap to go on, but that makes such a difference.
We got your soul, hunting alone, traveling from the deep forest into the sun, in war there's never an option to run.